So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to click on apps. And now you want to click on advanced app settings. And now where it says choose where to get apps, it's most likely going to be on the Microsoft Store only, or it might be on one of these ones that include the Microsoft Store. So you want to set this to anywhere. And then you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed. If that did not work for you, then you may be using Windows in S mode. To know if you are or not, you want to head over to search and type in run. Then you want to type in WinVer and click on enter. And if you're using Windows in S mode, it will tell you right here. I'm not using it, but you might be using it. So if you are using an S mode, then you want to head over to the link which I'm going to leave down below in the description, and you want to scroll down, and then you want to click on switch out of S mode. And then you want to click on open Microsoft Store. And then if you are using S mode, it will let you switch out of it. You just want to follow all the steps that will come up. And then you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.